Alright, you know who this is. You don't know who this is. This is my little sister. She's coming in, joining me on this video, because I want to challenge myself a little bit. She's going to raid the fridge. She's going to pick out a few things. And I'm going to have to somehow put it together, come up with a concept, and in about an hour, make something out of it. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. Let's get over the basics, like and subscribe, get all that crap out of the way, and we're gonna raid the fridge. All right, Caitlin, what do we got?
So, some Parmesan garlic boneless chicken wings.
So that is from our dinner last night, our New
New
Year's
Year's
Eve
Eve.
celebration. Whoop whoop.
Some teriyaki sauce, orange pepper, some Asian style noodles, and some carrots.
All right, so we've got all this. A couple other rules. I can use other ingredients, but I need to use what is on this table. So I'm gonna take a couple minutes, come up with a concept, and then we're gonna cut to the montage of me having fun and cooking and using all the hot stuff, all right? All right, so I've added a couple things. I've got my ideas. I'm not telling you, I'm not giving you any hints. You're gonna have to figure out as we go, but I will show you what I've added. I've picked out some spinach from the fridge, one onion, some garlic. Everything's gotta have garlic. Some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of creme, or cream if you don't get what I'm saying, and lemon juice. And with that, I'm going to make tonight's dinner. So without any further ado, I'm gonna get to it, and yeah, throw some music or whatever behind this, make it fun, entertaining, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna get to business. done. It didn't take me very long. But we have ourselves a beautiful pasta here. Nice garlic parmesan pasta. We are going to plate that up there. Decided to play off a lot of the flavors of the chicken that was already going to be in there. So we're going to get lots of that nice chicken in there. Like the noodles on the bottom. And all that good stuff on top. Now you may be asking, where's the teriyaki? Where's the carrots? Because it's not in there. No, it's right here. Right on top, we got some teriyaki fried carrots. And that, my friends, is it. Now to figure out if it's edible. And I'm gonna quickly run around the house, grab the family, and they're all gonna taste it on camera. They don't know that yet. But yeah, we're gonna do it. All right, I got my brother here. He's gonna be the first victim, taster. So, Matt, dig in. Get some of the carrots, get some of everything. Hard to scoop. Fair enough. I'm all about flavor.
That is delicious.
You would. Oh. Okay. I guess this video is wrapping up quicker than I thought. Bring that back, and I'm gonna get my sister over here, the one that picked all the ingredients. All right, Caitlin, dig in. Yeah, I'm gonna third that. It is hard to pick up.
That's really good.
Her eyes opened up. That's a good sign. All right. Oh, she's going in for seconds. That's a better sign. All right. Dad, get over here. All right, Dad. So I think you heard what it is.
Is it clean?
Yes, it's clean. They're all clean. So we want to get some of the carrots in there as well. Go.
Oh, no, kidding.
Dad jokes, hashtag. Oh, he went in for seconds too, so. Oh. Can you tell my family's a funny one? Two out of three made the same joke.
Really good.
Alright. Now, I'm gonna go out on a limb that it's gonna be a harder time getting my mom on camera. So, I'm just gonna go in and use the last fork and taste it myself. You wouldn't think that's what's leftover Buffalo Wild Wing. I'm gonna be critical on myself. You can use more salt. But heck, why am I saying that? You can't taste it, so no, it's beautiful. It's delicious.
The carrots that way have a nice bit of crunch as well as
Yes.
whatever else they usually bring.
All right, guys. Well, we are going to enjoy this and have a bit more dinner. But if you like this video and you want more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments. And yeah.
Stay away from this. This is art.
All right, guys. We'll see you next time.